Isn't this cute? Yes, this is very huge. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Himanshi and I'm here to inspire you guys to live more creatively. Hit the subscribe button for video every single week on DIY, home decor and macrame. In my today's video, I'm going to share 2 projects with you guys. So in my last week videos, I had requested you guys to share in case DIY request for me to try out. In my coming videos, do share with me. So out of that, I've got so many requests and I'm so happy that I've got these requests from you guys. And I'm so happy and I'm so excited to try out this. Thank you so much guys. So my first DIY project I'm going to do is I'm going to style this jute crochet basket that I had handcrafted this long time back and decided to style this and give a makeover. And this can be used for so many items that you can also plant, you can keep your magazines, you can keep any of your utilities in this, you can keep your blankets, bed sheet, cushions, anything. This is so useful, and you can keep your any accessories that you want. You can keep your clothes as well. You can also use this as a laundry basket. You can also keep blankets, cushion in this. It's huge in fact. See? And it's very cute as well. So this is what I'm going to do for my first project. And for my second project, like you guys had requested, so I have this what I'm going to do is this 2 hoops that I have, and it was there with me for quite some time now, and I had got this from a DIY store, and I'm going to do a macrame project out of this. So thank you guys for sharing this request. I'm really so happy that you guys had requested, and I'm going to share the requests that you guys have shared in my coming DIY videos. And before any further ado, let's get started to our first project. out so really nice, and I'm so happy filming this video and doing this DIY. It was really fun to create them, and both the projects were really very nice, and I'm going to style this at my home. Thanks for sharing your requests. Do let me know your comments down below which one was your favorite. Please do subscribe to my Instagram channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.